Tori. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we're back with another speed build on my island Zediana. I'll continue building the land bridge from my last video and making the canal by the bridge. If you enjoy content like this, be sure to like and subscribe. Now let's get started. First, I'm going to make a space where I wanted to make the canal. I'm also going to leave some space next to the canal to make a shopping street, and that will be for my next video. So this build was originally inspired by the new harbor in Copenhagen, Denmark. I've been to Copenhagen once and I really enjoyed the view, the colorful houses and the river walk. When the 2.0 update came out, I just had to try and recreate it on my own island. I also got really inspired by Mayu ACNH on Instagram. She recently released her DA and her island is stunning, so make sure to go check it out. I am quite indecisive when it comes to terraforming and decorating my island, so you will see me making a lot of adjustments and changing the space and really just hoping for the best. Now I'm going to complete the area from my last video. I decided to add more storefront items to give it more dimension. I've seen so many amazing builds ever since the 2.0 update, seeing how everyone uses the items to decorate their own island and making the fake houses illusions, and I really want to incorporate that into my own design. It might not look like much right now, but by the end of this video, this area will be complete. I struggled a lot when I was making this area. I didn't really have a good visual of how I wanted to decorate this area, but eventually I start to put items down, put some medieval walls and the castle walls, and then I got some ideas of how I want to make it. But overall I really just kept it simple and just trial and error until I was happy with it. I decided to move the land bridge a little over to the right, so right now I'm just making a few adjustments. I use the castle gates as the bridge and kind of create a sluice. I know it's not very original, but it does give it a very nice view. I never really fully flattened my island before remodeling. Like I said, I'm very indecisive, so I'll kind of clear out areas and make changes along the way. All the custom codes I use today will be in the description. I'll also list the creators' accounts so you can find them on social media. Again, I'm moving things around and seeing how it looks. Beside the canal, everything is pretty much improvised. I'm going to add some city vibe to this island, and hopefully you will see what I did with this area in the next video. Now I'm gonna put some items down, add more street lights. I really like the new curved street lights. I like how they look and how it adds some variation to the street look, but it's also a bit tricky since they take up more space. But really, I'm just trying a few different combinations of the furnitures and see which one I like the most. I'm also very happy with how you can customize some of the fences and the new fences that we're getting. I think it really adds more texture to the build. Now I'm finally adding the incline down to the beach. I'm gonna clear out the area so I can visualize what I want to do with it. I'm going to make more room by the canal for the shopping street. I struggled with this area because I wanted to add another incline here, but not sure how I wanted to connect everything. Behind this hill is my museum area, and I wanted to make it into a theme park. It's also gonna be another tourist attraction in Copenhagen, but I'm quite intimidated by it, so it won't be for a while. This is behind my residence center. I thought it would be a good idea to make a viewpoint here so that you can overlook the canal and the shopping street. Here Bo is enjoying his walk in the snow. He's one of my dreamies, so I was really happy when I found him in my campsite. Sorry Quinn, but I really need Bo on my island. I time traveled to get a few more items and make the incline. I decided to replace the iron fence with the rope fence, and I also tried a few different items, and these are the ones I decided to go with eventually. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.